Guys, in this video I am going to show you how to pin your tweet that you have posted on the twitter.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should go to your profile or your home page in the left side column of the screen. After that you should tap on tweets in the middle and then select the post that you would like to pin, meaning that it will appear at the top of your timeline. All you have to do is finding that particular tweet and then click on this more or this three dots button in the upper right corner of this box, and then click on the pin to your profile button. As you can see, it will appear at the top of your profile and replace any previously pinned tweet. So click on the pin button and it will be marked with this pin tweet title at the top of it. If you want to remove your pin, click on the more button again and tap on the unpin from profile button and click on unpin again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.